Let's see. I can't kind of give you an idea what I have in mind here. That was the string that I had to hold that. Okay. That's not going to really go anywhere. Let me get my little scrap pieces of plywood that I had, and I'll kind of give you my thought process on how I can use some of my scrap material. Hopefully there's enough light there. I think there is. I could have probably made all my pieces of scrap with this long piece that I had. Okay, bear with me here. I've got my little pieces here. I got to be careful as I'm walking up here so I don't step anywhere other than where I'm supposed to. This is the top of the wall section. I can step there. I don't want to step here. I don't want to step over here. That's sheetrock. Okay. I could take my piece here. I could screw it in and allow some of it over like that. Put 2 screws in there, and then I can put a screw in this. Okay. And then I can do the same thing over on this side. And I think you can see all that. Yeah, you can see all that. See, I got enough room here to get my drill in there, and then I can take I can take this little piece here if I want, and I can actually put it over there. It'll be screwed in on this plywood, overlapping 3/4 of an inch, and then I can put 1 screw here and 1 screw there, and then I'll hold up that end. I could probably do this. You know, if I had a longer piece, I could have went from here to there, across like that. In fact, I could do something like that. I'm gonna put one right there, and I'll probably stick one over here somehow. You know, however I want to do that. I'll take this piece up and I'll screw it into the plywood down here, pre-drill some holes or something if I need to, because this stuff is actually pretty hard, believe it or not. And because they're little pieces, I don't know, I may have to pre-drill it, may not. And I might use this piece over there, or I could take this piece and cut off. You know, see, I can't really use this for anything else, can I? This was all sawed off with the Sawzall, and this side here is kind of broken up. I could cut this off here, and I've got my skill saw up here, and then I can cut 1, 2, 3. I can get all 4 blocks out of this piece here. And I think that's what I'm going to do, and then I won't have to use these pieces. I can save these for another project. Okay, that's what I'll do with that. Okay, I'll get ready to cut that, and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.